Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to review the budget gaming headphone. Elevate your gaming experience with the Turtle Beach Recon 50 wired headset, designed for comfort and performance. This headset delivers clear audio and crisp communication. Key features: lightweight comfort. Enjoy extended gaming sessions with the Recon 50's comfortable, lightweight design. Immersive sound. Experience every detail of your games with high quality 40mm speakers that deliver clear highs and deep lows. Clear communication. The adjustable, high-sensitivity microphone ensures your teammates can hear you loud and clear. Convenient controls. Easily adjust volume and mute the mic with the inline controls. Versatile compatibility. Connect to your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, PC, or mobile device with the universal 3.5mm jack. Why buy this product? Affordable audio. Enjoy great sound without breaking the bank. All-day comfort. The lightweight design makes the Recon 50 perfect for long gaming sessions. Clear communication. Stay connected with your team thanks to the clear microphone. Versatile compatibility. Use your headset with your favorite gaming platforms. Please follow and subscribe us for more videos like this.